The IP address will be like this, right? That's the first octet. Second one. Fourth one. So that will be 24.
Yes.
That is prefix 30. It means that you've got 31 from the left side. Okay.
So prefix, I think, is the number of bits in the network.
Number of?
The number of bits in the network. For example, because I will have 32 bits.
What does bits in the network? What does it mean? You may be right. I just need more explanation.
Yeah.
To understand.
No, I think that's how they describe it though on the I'm trying to go back to the I think that's how they describe it as that is the number of bits assigned to the network address.
Yeah. Okay, do you want to add something?
No.
I just want to give you the simple view how we can understand the prefix.
Right.
Then there are lots of more things that we're going to talk about. Okay? So when you find the 30, it means that you've got 31 from the left side. So your variables will be
2 zeros.
left side.
Or two, yeah.
Yeah. Anything. If you've got 28 here, you've got 4 items there.
Yeah.
If you've got 30, you've got
Okay, so when we're talking about the prefix, we're always using 32 as our reference.
Yes, because the whole thing, the whole address would be 32. So when they told you that you've got a prefix of 30, it means that 30 ones from the left side. Not from the right side.
Sorry, it means that 31 from the 31. There are 30.
It means 31s.
Okay, 31 from the left side, and that is corresponding to the number 250.
We don't know.
It's a number.
We don't know. We just know that you've got 31 here.
Oh, I see what
And
you're saying.
the rest will be
And then it's-
0 or 1, 0 or 1.
Right. You're saying if we convert that to decimal, right? Is that what you mean?
No, that's something else.
Yeah, that's not, yeah, right.
That's completely something else. I'm just talking about that tree. It doesn't have any relation with that part. This is the size of this address. That's all. It doesn't have any relation with this 215. It could be 210 with prefix of 30. It doesn't really matter.
What is
Huh?
what's the ECR?
Yeah, I'm going to say. First of all, you should understand this part, then we're going to talk about that.
Okay, I mean that if in that prefix in 30, it means that all of them are filled. The 30 position is filled by 1. Okay,
Just 1, not 0.
they have detected that the whole 30 left position filled by 1. Yes, am I right?
I don't know. Can't get your point.
What does mean 30? That
31.
okay. I mean that there are 30 times 1 in 30 positions.
It just wants to make you sure that you're not going to use this part for your addresses. You can.
For the half address.
Yes.
So in this,
It just wants to say that this is the size of your network. So I think wait for finishing the part, then we're going to understand what kind of thing we're going to expect.
in this case, we have just 2 bits to determine our host. Yes.
Good. We're going to find out. We're going to find out. So can I write 250 in binary?
215, yes.
Yeah. And what is it?
1, 1.
and you can calculate.
Can you do it in your head?
Someone come here and calculate, because it's really important.
Yeah.
You should
Maybe.
change it to binary first, and you can understand what's going on here.
No, it'd just be hard for me to walk out.
Okay, I can help you.
Yeah. This part I remember. Yeah, just look to be sure.
Zero, one, this is, yeah, this,
1, 0.
yeah, it's okay.
It's not
Plus of this is 40 plus this is 255.
I thought we were looking for 215.
215?
Yeah, we're trying to do 215, right?
Yeah, 215.
215. It says
215.
215. Or
Yeah, it's 215.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, 120.
I mean the food, if you plus all of them is 255. And just you have to zero,
Yeah, exactly.
it's 40 plus this, you can check it this way.
That's the way to do it.